Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to give you the explanation, chapter number 1, 3 questions. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. At the very starting, I would like to give you a very little overview about this chapter. So please listen to me very carefully. In this story, there is a king having 3 questions, very important questions, and he wants the answers of his questions. With the help of this story, we will be knowing that does he get answers of his questions or not. So now let us know in detail. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. There was a king, and at once there was a sudden thought in his mind, and he started thinking of that. If he would know 3 things, then he would never face failure in his throughout the life. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? So there have been 3 questions. The first one: what is the right time for doing anything? Second, what kind of people he must meet? Third, what is the most important task to do for him? So these were the questions that he was having. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom. For knowing the answers, what did he do? He started sending his messengers throughout his kingdom for knowing the answers, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. And he announced throughout the kingdom that whosoever will be able to answer of 3 questions, he or she will be rewarded with huge money. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. There had been many wise people, and they started giving their opinions, their suggestions, and these suggestions were quite different from every side. In reply to the first question, uh, for the answer of first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable. There had been some people, and for the first answer, they suggested that the king must prepare a proper timetable and then follow it strictly. And after that, he must follow that very, very strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time? But there was a question: was he able to do that very thing on time as he was suggested by some people? Other said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. There had been some others, they said that it was really impossible to plan the right time in advance. The king should notice all that was going on and avoid foolish pleasures. There had been some others, they suggested the king that king must notice all the things in his kingdom, that what was going on throughout his kingdom, and he must avoid the foolish pleasures. So my dear students, that's enough for the day. The rest part uh, of this chapter will be taken next time in my video. Thank you very much for listening to me very carefully. Thank you so much.